Making more while doing less can seem like an impossible task. You're probably already saying yes to every single client that comes your way, and you're extremely busy. So how can you possibly say yes to any more clients to make more money? Make sure you stick around all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you how one of our students made 200k in a year while actually spending less time in the office. Today's question of the day is, what would you do if you had more time in your day? Leave a comment below this video and I look forward to hearing from you. The first issue is you're probably saying yes to every single client that comes your way.
Yes! Yes! Yes, yes!
The problem with this is you tend to be working on the same types of projects with the same clients. So it can seem counterintuitive, but if you do this, then you're leaving yourself no room to grow. It can be difficult to say no to a client when you don't know where your next project is going to come from. This is why you need to build a repeatable system that will have clients knocking at your door consistently. This way you can be a little bit more picky about the types of clients that you work with, meaning that you'll have more time to work on personal projects to help you to develop your skills. You'll have more time to reach out to those clients that you really want to work with, which will help you to get bigger and better clients.
Bitchin', right?
Yeah, bitchin'.
To get started building systems in your business, I recommend doing a client audit. This way you can see what's working for you and what's not working and highlight the areas that may need more work. So let's take a look at the client audit. I'm going to go through the questions, but you can also download our template below this video. Question 1, take a look at the past year. Where are your current clients coming from? If you don't know, try asking your clients how they found you. If you get a random cold email about a project, make sure you ask them where they found your details. Question number 2 is there a pattern in where your client leads are coming from? For example, are most of your clients coming from referrals or are they coming from Instagram? Question number 3 is, if there is a general pattern, can you double down on what's working for you right now so that you're able to get a consistent stream of clients? That way you can say no to more clients and you can create more time, and you can also raise your rate. This is really important. For example, if most of your clients are coming for referrals, can you go out there and ask for more referrals? Or if they're mostly coming from Instagram, can you double down on Instagram, putting more posts out there, commenting on more people's posts and making more connections so that you can gain a consistent stream of clients? And question number 4 is one of my favorite questions. Are there any places that gave you clients that you didn't like working with? This is really important because you need to identify where these clients are coming from so you can stop doing those actions that are gaining you those clients. So for example, if there's a certain platform that is giving you clients that you don't like working with, you should stop posting on that platform and maybe try out a different platform. And hopefully your ideal clients will be on that other platform, but you won't know if you don't experiment. This is why the client audit is really valuable, because it can help you to see what's working for you and what's not working for you, helping you double down on areas where you're getting the best clients from so you can get a consistent stream of these really good clients. Question 5 is, take a look at your social media platforms. Which platforms have helped you to gain successful connections in the past? This can be with clients, but it can also be with other designers and animators. These are also valuable connections because sometimes other designers and animators might pass work on to you, and you might also need help and you might need to pass work on to them as well. If you're struggling with social media and you'd like a bit more help, you can download our social media guide. The link will be below this video in the description. Finally, question number 6 is, what types of posts have given you the most engagement in the past? So take a look at your social media platforms and the types of posts you put on there and see which ones get the most comments and interactions. Usually social media platforms prefer engagement over anything else, so this is a good thing to measure and track. By doing this client audit, you can see what's working for you to get clients, and you can double down on that to help you to get a consistent stream of clients, which means that you can start being picky and saying no to those clients and help you to level up your business. So you can see why this is really important. I recommend coming back to this client audit again and again. Probably about 6 months to a year would be a good idea, because you might have gradual changes over time when platforms change and things like that. So I recommend regularly doing this client audit to help you to get a consistent stream of clients. The second key to making more money in less time is to spend time working on your business and not just in your business. If you don't take time to see what's working for you and make a plan for the future, you'll always be stuck in a cycle of low-paying client work. You'll be busy all the time because you'll have to take on more work, so you won't have time to do personal projects so that you can grow your business, and you won't have any time to spend with your friends and family. You need to spend more time working on tasks that grow your business, things like doing client outreach and marketing, and you need to build and maintain the systems that help you to repeat these processes. By doing this, you can slowly build out your processes, automating your most time-consuming tasks, and eventually you may be able to delegate to somebody else, and then when you do that, you'll have the processes in place so they will know exactly how you like each task to be done, which can save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches managing someone else. This process can take some time, but what I want you to do to take action this week is to block out 1 hour every other day to spend some time working on your business. I recently worked with a motion designer, DJ Summit, in our accelerator program. Before starting this program, DJ felt overwhelmed and didn't have much time to spend with his family. He couldn't work any harder. He was already taking up all of his time with clients and also teaching on the side as well.
So as far as benefits and changes since, what were the effects of the program, I doubled my income in about less than a year. But I did so while actually spending less time in the office. I was able to revamp my website and my reel. I found 8 new returning clients, like major clients, which is great. But what's more important is that they were in industries that I actually cared about and wanted to work in. On top of that, to help free up my schedule, I dropped 2 side hustles that I was doing, and it's been great. Like, I'm making more money, but doing less work. And also I've started saying no to projects, which is a hard muscle to kind of strengthen. I couldn't have asked for more from the program. I love every part of it.
As a result of doing this, DJ made $200,000 in under a year. That was double the amount that he made the previous year. And whilst working less in the office, he's also working with clients that he loves. I want this kind of success for you too. We have a program where we help you to scale your design and animation business. We give you group coaching, one-on-one hot seat calls, and an 8-week implementation course. If you would like to learn more and see if the program is a good fit for you, then take the quiz below this video. The link will be in the description. If you want to learn the next steps you should take to make more time in your business and to build out some processes, then watch this video next where I teach you how to do that. And I'll see you next week for more tips and advice around the business side of design and animation.